Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to block internet access on any application in Windows 11. First, let's identify the application you want to block internet access for. Simply find its icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. For example here, I select Firefox. Next, we'll navigate to the Windows settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu, then selecting Settings. Now, within the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security. In Privacy and Security, click on Windows Security under Security section. Once in, now look for Firewall and Network Protection and click on it. Now in Firewall and Network Protection page, look for Advanced Settings and get in. Once in, click on Outbound Rules and look for New Rules under Action section and click on it. And now hit Click on Program and click Next. Now paste the program path you copied from your File Explorer. Note this, after pasting copy path, remove the quotation marks first and hit Next. And now select the option Block the Connection and hit Click Next. Here, simply hit Next. Now fill the name of the program and hit Click Finish. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked internet access for that application. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.